Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Thank you for clicking on my video, and if you're interested in this delicious and so simple shortbread cookie recipe, then just keep watching. Alright, so shortbread cookies are very simple to make. You really only need 3 ingredients, and that's flour, sugar, and butter. But we're going to add in two extra things to make it a little bit more flavorful. The first thing I'm going to use is butter. Now guys, butter can make or break this cookie. Make sure you're using a good quality butter. The butter that I choose to use is this European butter that has 85% butter fat. And I'm pretty much going to take that. I'm using 1 whole stick, 8 tablespoons. And I'm going to put that in the microwave until it's fully melted. Now I'm going to add in my vanilla extract. I'm using 1 cupful of pure vanilla extract. Next is salt. I'm going to be using 1/2 teaspoon of salt to really bring out the butter flavor and make this a very savory cookie. Next is just plain white granulated sugar, and I'm going to use 1/4 cup. Now it's just time to whisk all of those ingredients together very well. Now it's time to add in our last ingredient. And our last ingredient is just some all-purpose flour. I'm just going to use 1 cup. Now guys, when you're doing this, make sure you're using a nice level cup. I would actually rather you go a little under 1 cup rather than over 1 cup, because if you go over 1 cup, you're going to mess it up. Just gonna whisk all of those ingredients until this cookie is combined. It's pretty quick. You don't have to worry about over mixing. Now we're just gonna add our cookie to a pan with some parchment paper. And this should make about 10 to 11 cookies. And feel free to double up this recipe to make more cookies. Now we're just gonna take a fork and smash the cookies. And this is because these cookies do not spread that much in the oven. Alright, and now we're gonna put these cookies into a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the cookie is a little brown at the bottom. These cookies are just gonna melt in your mouth. They're so good. And they taste great with ice cream, so enjoy.